In this video, we'll look at how to make a Google Sites that has more than one page on the site. So for example, if you have a portfolio, you might have a page to show some of your best writing, you might have a page to show some of your best photography that you've taken, and maybe a page to show some of your artwork. So as an example, we will use a page that we made. If you're looking for how to make a simple Google Sites that's only one page, please check the other video. So I'm going to go to a recent site that we made. Again, it's sites.google.com is the website. And we made this very simple website using a template. Now, at the top left, you can see there's different pages here. The default is home, history, things like that. Now, to make more pages, we go to the top right, we click on Pages, and I don't need a frequently asked questions page here, so I'm going to click on the three dots. I'm going to delete that page. I'm going to delete this page too. I'm going to delete this other page, and I will click the plus on the bottom right here to make a new page. So maybe my example here is a project about coffee, so I'm going to make a new page called Coffee and Economics. If I go to Advanced, I don't need that. Okay, a new page. I'm going to say Coffee and the Environment. And I'll make one more page, Coffee and Careers. So now, if I go here, I can see my 3 pages. So I have 3 separate pages. I can edit these pages. I can add different images, different text by going to Insert. I can insert text, images, YouTube videos, Google Maps, and so on. So we've got multiple pages here. Now, if someone goes to your page, they'll need to click this bar to go to other pages. I don't like a bar like that, so I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna adjust. Instead of going side, I'm gonna go top. Okay, I can change the color if I want to. There we go. So now I've got all my pages at the top here. And so I can click Coffee and the Environment, Coffee and Careers. Again, these are different pages, so I'm going to want to make them look a little bit different. This kind of looks like Career, Coffee and the Environment. Let's see if I can get an environment type image here. I'm going to search. Oops. Environment, coffee. Let's see. Here we go. And this one looks good. All right. And Coffee and Economics. Let me choose the background image there. And we'll just choose this one. Okay. So we've got our 3 pages here. And for each page, I'm going to insert some text, maybe. And again, I can change the layout. Okay. I can add details down here. And I can add a little image here. Google image search. Coffee. There we go. Insert on the bottom right. And it takes a little bit of time sometimes to insert these, but we've got 3 different pages here now. We've also got a home page, which we don't need if we don't want to. Again, to edit your pages, at the top right, you click Pages. You can add them, you can rename them, you can delete them. And then to change how your pages look, this is at the top left, Settings button. And we can go top or side, and we can also change the color. So that's how you make multiple web pages within your website using Google Sites, sites.google.com.